Hey everyone, it's Gianna alum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Thursday, everybody. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community. This past month, the Cardano developers have been super hard at work, so today I have a real quick dev update for you with all the highlights from this past month. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Another month, another set of strides for the Cardano ecosystem. Take a look at the main updates and achievements from across the community in August." Statistics are based on internal input-output data and publicly available data. The good news is Cardano developers continue to build, and this past month we've seen a lot of growth. The Cardano ecosystem continues to grow. As of August 29th, 2025, 2009 projects are developing on Cardano. The number of token policies increased by 2,143, and the number of minted native tokens increased by 4,000. Plutus scripts increased by 1,867, bringing the total to 141,786. Of these, 10,186 are Aiken scripts. Then we have some highlights from each dev team. Core Technology. The Core Technology team released benchmark results for Cardano node v.10.5, including LMDB, UTXOs on disk benchmarks. They also began developing new memory-constrained benchmark families to further evaluate UTXO on disk behavior under limited resource conditions. Cardano smart contracts also continue to improve. The Plutus core team started developing a benchmark for surface languages targeting the untyped Plutus core, UPLC. The goal of this benchmark was to compare the performance of different surface languages that compile to UPLC. They've already introduced the first benchmarking scenario, which involves computing Fibonacci numbers, and plan to add more scenarios soon. They also have some updates on wallets and services. The Lace team has released Lace v.1.28, enhancing dee-app interactions by displaying transaction metadata on the confirmation screen for more clarity before signing. This enabled secure event registration even with Ledger hardware wallets. The release also improved the experience for NFT collectors through NFT Print Lab, allowing users to select and print NFTs directly from their Lace wallet. We're going to say dee-apps is going to catch on. Dee-apps are decentralized applications. We also had some advancements with scalability on Cardano. The Hydra team released several patched versions, with the latest being v.0.22.4. These updates address persistent queue blocking, issues with event log rotation, and performance concerns with etcd under load. Of course, one of the biggest things this past month was an advancement with governance with Voltaire. Intersect MBO now has a new constitutional committee. The governance action to replace the interim committee has been ratified, ensuring a seamless transition to the newly elected one. This is huge. This makes Cardano one of the most decentralized blockchains. Of course, we also had advancements with Project Catalyst. The Catalyst on X team has launched the community review stage with over 3,500 community reviewers prepared to help shape Fund 14. Be sure to keep an eye on the weekly newsletter for more information about the next steps. The education team has also been hard at work, and they want your feedback. Last month, the Mastering Cardano book was launched. The education team is currently gathering community feedback. Access the book at book.io/book and contribute your feedback at github.com/input-output. You can listen to a podcast with the creator of the book on YouTube. To stay tuned, follow weekly development updates here at iohk.link/3SF 7Q23. If you're a developer, don't miss out on these technical reports at updates.cardano.intersectmbo.org. I want to congratulate all the Cardano developers for all your hard work so far. The ecosystem continues to grow stronger, and it's really thanks to all of you. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Cardano, and what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!